Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I will be showing you guys how to fix Instagram's camera not working or black screen issue. First of all, go to your settings app and then search for Instagram. Then make sure you have allowed the camera option for the Instagram, and then go to your Instagram, swipe it off from the bottom of your screen and then look for it, swipe it away. This clears temporary glitches. Now if that does not work, open your app store, search for Instagram and then make sure to update your app to the latest version. After that, just restart your phone. After restarting your iPhone, go to your Instagram, swipe left and then switch between front camera and then back camera. Safety tip, do not install camera mode apps. Quick fix, reinstall the app, and that's it. Subscribe for more.